Hey everyone, welcome back to Nail Art by Nessa. I am Vanessa, and in this video I'm creating these beautiful glazed cat eye gel nails with a faded black border. So to get started, my nails are all prepped and ready to go, and I'm ready to start applying my color. So I'm applying just the silver cat eye gel polish, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer and set it. I'm not going to bother using the magnet for this layer because I just want a nice silver base to get started with. Okay, now that all of my nails have their first layer and it's been set in the light, I'm going to go ahead and start on the second layer. But for this layer, I'm going to use the magnet. So I'm going to create the glow effect on each nail. This is a really beautiful effect. It kind of creates this glowing look, but then when you move your finger, it kind of disappears. So that's the look I'm going to go for, and I'm going to do each nail individually, setting it in the light in between. If you don't set it in the light and you move on to the next nail, then the little particles can move and then you won't quite have the effect that you were looking for. So once I finished all of my nails, I'm now going to start adding the black border. So here I've kind of mixed up actually a little bit of black stamping gel polish, which is very thick, with a little bit of regular polish, just to create like a little bit of a thicker consistency than regular polish, but a little bit thinner than the stamping polish. Once I finish painting the line all the way around, I'm going to use my ombre brush and just fade it out along the sides so that I have a nice fade from the center to the black edges. So this look is actually a pretty easy look to achieve. However, fading the edges was definitely the biggest challenge for me. Using my left hand is never easy. But once I got it how I wanted and they were all looking pretty good, I was ready to move on to the glaze. So for the glaze, I chose to do purple over the majority of my nails. And when it comes to glazes, I mean, obviously you've put on the first layer, you hardly even see it. But I do recommend just applying many thin layers as opposed to trying to apply a thick layer to really get the color that you're looking for. So I don't know how many layers I applied, like 4, 5, 6 maybe. But I just kept applying it until I got the saturation that I was looking for. And then for my ring nail, I decided to go with a really beautiful cobalt blue color, and I really think these nails turned out beautifully. Okay, so here are the nails. I'm just going to apply a little bit of cuticle oil to finish off the look. This cuticle oil is by Madame Glam, and it is lavender scented. It's very nice. And in the background, you can see all the products that I used for this look. And I really like the way these turned out. I feel like they kind of remind me of that comic book look that everybody was doing for a while, but with its own little twist with the magnetic. I love the way these glow and catch the light. I definitely think I'll try this look again. Let me know in the comments if you've tried a look like this or if you plan on trying it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And if you would like to see more of my work, you can find me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!